The crime of oral copulation by force or fear is when you engage in oral copulation with somebody without their consent. This is a variation of California's rape law, and in this video I'm going to talk about what it means. First of all, the definition of oral copulation. Oral copulation is any contact between the mouth of one person and the sexual organ or anus of another. There does not have to be penetration, and there does not have to be ejaculation. So it's any contact between the mouth of one partner and the anus, vagina, or scrotum, which is the penis or the balls, of the other partner. Now keep in mind that oral copulation is not inherently illegal. It is perfectly legal for consenting adults to engage in it. It only becomes illegal if you do it with a minor, that is somebody under 18 years of age, or you do it with somebody without their consent. When we talk about force or fear, that's really the same as saying that it's without the person's consent. So it could be a situation where you physically restrain a person and make them give you a blowjob. It could be a situation where you threaten somebody, you threaten to hurt them or their family if they don't engage in oral copulation with you. Or it could be a situation where you do it with somebody who's unconscious or passed out drunk. You may be on a date with a woman and you guys are both drunk and she ultimately passes out. And after she does, you pull down her pants and begin to lick her vagina. That would be oral copulation without consent because the person was not awake and conscious and able to give you consent at the time. If you're convicted, you face up to 8 years in state prison. However, if the alleged victim was 14 to 18 years of age, then it's up to 10 years state prison. And if the alleged victim was under 14 years of age, then it's up to 12 years state prison. Moreover, you would be a registered sex offender for life. So the consequences really are devastating. Nevertheless, we find that this is one of those crimes where a lot of innocent people get wrongly accused. So it may be a situation where you were deliberately and maliciously falsely accused. It may be a situation where you were misidentified. It may be a situation where you reasonably believe that you had the other person's consent. There may have been a misunderstanding as to what exactly happened. These are all effective defenses that here at Schaus Law Group we've been successful in asserting for our clients and ultimately getting their charges reduced or dismissed.